Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to make a Christmas related scratch game in under 10 minutes. Okay, let's start by opening up Scratch, creating a new project. Let's delete the cat first of all, and we are going to go into our create our own character, and we are going to make a gingerbread man. So I think the gingerbread man is normally sort of that colour. So let's start with a circle. Then we're going to start with the body. I'm going to get some arms, and I'd like to fill these. I'm going to duplicate that one, and we are also going to use those as legs. There we go. Let's move it up a bit. So let's rotate this a little bit. And move it to there. Great. Beautiful. Rotate it to there. A little bit skinny legs, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Ooh. There's our gingerbread outline. So let's now do some nice colours for the buttons and what have you. So let's do a nice blue and a nice maybe yellow. There we go. Let's move some nice buttons to there. Normally Smarties or something when you make them with the kids. It's a little slippery. Right, let's do some eyes as well. I'm going to try the eyes being white. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And I'm going to do smile. Lovely. There is my gingerbread man. I press the tick button, and there we go. Let's make him a touch smaller. Great. Okay, now let's select a background. Let's be in the North Pole again. So now I want the gingerbread man to be catching some stars. So let's go to our plus character button. Let's find a nice star. There we go. I'm going to modify it slightly because I like it a little bit yellower, because of the background. I'd also like it a touch bigger. Great. So there's going to be one there. One there. We'll make it a bit bigger. Another one there. We'll make it a bit bigger. Another one. Obviously you can add as many as you wish. I'm going to add one more here. I'm a little uncomfortable with the gingerbread man going into the water, so I'm going to leave them there. I'm also going to create one more, but this is going to be a special one, and I think it should be let's make it a black star. That's pretty cool. Not really Christmassy, but that is going to be the one that once they catch... Actually, no, it's not going to be black. Let's make it red, so it's like a Santa colour. And let's see if we can make the outline of it white. We can. Okay, so let's make that a bit bigger. So once that one's caught, then that'll be like the winner's screen. Okay, fantastic. So now let's code these. So what we want them to do is when the green flag starts, we want them to go down, and we are going to say, let's say 20, and that's just going to keep going. So then what we want it to do is when it is touched, we want it to disappear. And we're also going to want it to start being disappeared. So let's drag that across to copy. And what we're going to do, we're going to use exactly the same code, but we're going to insert in here just a pause of, oh, do you know what I've missed? We need it to appear. So we want it to pause for 10/10 of a second, then appear. So let's copy that across. So let's change that to 20. Let's copy that across. Let's change that to 30. And then finally, let's copy that across. And let's start that to 40. However, we are going to change it slightly. Let's add another screen. Let's delete the cat. Let's add the gingerbread man again. Let's make him significantly bigger. There we go. And let's add some text. Ooh. Merry Xmas. Great. So when the red star is caught, we're going to change the screen to the final Merry Christmas screen. So the last thing we need to do is let's disappear all of our stars. And there our stars are all ready. Now we just need to get our joypad to move our gingerbread man left and right. So let's create a red square and fill it. I can go there. Let's make it a bit smaller. Much bigger than that. Use the same one again. Let's make it green. Nice Christmas colours. Great. So we want to code the buttons now. So when the green button is pressed, we want it to send a green message. When the red button is pressed, we want it to send a red message. And what those translates to with our gingerbread person here is when the green button is pressed, the gingerbread man moves left. And when the red button is pressed, the message is sent, they move right. So let's just give that a tight rest. Brilliant. Okay, I think we are ready to go. So full screen, green flag to start. Great. Oh. Amazing. Fantastic. There we go. Well done, everybody. Hello again, everyone. I've just noted a slight mistake with the star code. What we do need to do is add a stop command there so that the stars don't reappear once they've been touched. So let me show you that. Ooh. Okay, so let's reset everybody. Full screen again. Here we go. If I select that one there or catch it, they do not reappear. And there's your end of your game. Okay, sorry about it, everybody. Well done. See you next time. Bye. Congratulations and well done on making your game. If you do need any help or have any questions, please leave a comment below. The next video should appear somewhere on the screen shortly. And if you want to keep up with all the games we're producing throughout December, please subscribe here.